Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I've got a morning update for you guys, and it is regarding Binance. I've got a little bit of a story coming out today. I believe this actually came out last night, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm just reporting it this morning. But basically, it's actually all to do with security, and it seems to be like they are kind of rolling out some kind of features within the app that would adhere to certain regulatory rules that are obviously being put in place. And it seems like they are slowly starting to make some kind of movement. Now, do not get me wrong, do not get my words twisted. They are not full on coming out with statements left, right, and center saying they're going to do this and that or whatnot. But what we can see from everything going on is that certain features of the app have been taken down, certain features of the app have been limited, certain trading pairs have gone down for like futures margin trading. And what we are seeing right now is that Binance are actually cutting down withdrawal limits as well. So we're going to take a look into this article right here. And again, it doesn't come as too much of a surprise. It does seem like, they are kind of rolling out day by day, like little features that are kind of beginning to adhere to certain rules from the FCA, I'm assuming. So, maybe within the next few weeks, we'll be seeing a few more things come out as well. But, I think the puzzles are slowly being put together of what's happening to Binance, right? And I believe slowly, they'll start rolling all of these things out, to make sure they are getting on par with what they really need to do. So today's headline is Binance cuts withdrawal limits and rolls out tax reporting tool. So existing Binance users will be unable to withdraw more than 0.06 Bitcoin per day without completing full KYC verification effective in August. KYC standing for Know Your Customer. It is just to ensure that you're basically more secure, you're more safe, you are providing Binance with more information to ensure that everything is kept more detailed and they know who they are kind of dealing with, if that makes sense. So if any of these like money laundering situations or tax problems, anything else, money terrorism, whatever it may be, at least this time they know that if you were to actually withdraw a substantial amount of money, you would have to have provided a lot of information to Binance, so they know exactly who you are in order for you to actually withdraw all of that money. So it is a very good feature. I believe people should have their KYC fully up to date on their app anyway. I have provided a lot of information to ensure that I am fully secure and they know who I am, basically, right? And the thing is, I don't mind that because, as I said, it's all to do with regulations and I'm all for that. So this would definitely reduce the amount of money laundering going on within the app, because obviously money laundering would include a lot of money being laundered. But this time, if they were to withdraw a whole load of money, they can only withdraw up to 0.06 Bitcoin, which isn't a lot, which really isn't a lot. And you would have to fully verify yourself with the KYC information in order for you to withdraw more. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing they're doing it. So Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, continues its efforts to maintain dialogue with global regulators by introducing withdrawal limits and a new tax reporting system. The company officially announced Tuesday a major update to its Know Your Customer policies, significantly reducing maximum withdrawals amounts for users who have not completed full identity verification. Effective immediately for new Binance accounts, users who have completed only basic account verifications will be unable to withdraw more than 0.06 Bitcoin per day, which is roughly about $2,400 at the time of writing this article. Previously, the maximum daily withdrawal amount was capped at 2 Bitcoin, around $80,000, Binance CEO CZ noted on Twitter. According to the announcement, Binance will continue applying new withdrawal limits for existing users in phases starting from August 4th. The exchange expects to have adopted new withdrawal restrictions entirely by August 23rd. Binance users who have completed full identity verification will still be able to withdraw up to 100 Bitcoin per day, or nearly $4 million at Bitcoin prices at the time of writing this article. Withdrawal limits refresh daily at 12 a.m. So obviously the start of a new day, the announcement notes. Binance also rolled out its new tax reporting tool on Wednesday. The reporting system is an application programming interface that enables Binance users to track their crypto transactions, transfer their transaction history to third-party vendors, and obtain instant overviews of their local tax liabilities. That's really good. The new initiative is part of the exchange's broader strategy to expand user protection and risk management protocols. Now, that's really good. Again, I've done a video on crypto tax and everything else. I will leave it right there for you guys. And it's basically a website which you can use, which basically like links to your exchange and downloads all of your transactions for you, calculates all of your tax, all of your profit, your losses, and will actually download a tax report for you. So if you haven't watched that, guys, please make sure you are watching that video. Very, very helpful. However, what's good about these withdrawal limits is that could this be the start of them actually introducing withdrawals back to Binance for people in the UK, Europe, wherever it may be that is currently down, right? Obviously, we know that withdrawals are down, faster payments are down. Now, is this something that they're going to kind of, bring back once these withdrawal limits are kind of in place? So they said by mid-August, we should really have it done. Is that going to bring back all of the withdrawals so we don't have to actually keep going through other crypto exchanges in order for us to withdraw it back into our bank account? I don't know. We do have to wait and see, but it may be heading that way. Only time will tell. Within the next 2 weeks, we'll probably have some kind of information about it. Obviously, faster payment deposits are still down. Is that going to be something that they'll only put up for people that are fully verified with KYC? I don't know. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if they do introduce something like that. But again, next 2 weeks should definitely tell the story. So let's read the rest of this. So according to Binance's tax reporting instruction page, users can now select a third-party tax tool to transfer their transaction history. Binance is not endorsing any particular third-party tax tool software. Please exercise your own discretion and or consult your personal tax advisor based on your personal tax circumstances and requirements when selecting the third-party tax tools, the exchange warned. Again, guys, I'll leave that link in the description below as well, my tax video. It will help you guys a lot. Binance did not immediately respond to a request for information on the usage of the new tool for Binance US users. So what is that Binance US users then that they're only doing that for? We'll have to wait and find out really, but that's what it's saying here. Did not immediately respond to a request for information for the usage of the new tool for Binance US users. So this tax thing might just be for Binance US users for now. I'll let you guys know when I've got more information. The news comes amid Binance aggressively adopting new trading restrictions in an apparent effort to respond to the ongoing global regulatory crackdown on the exchange. This week, the exchange delisted margin trading pairs for 3 fiat currencies, including Euro, Australian dollar, and British pound sterling. I covered that in a video for you guys. Binance's futures trading platform has also started reducing maximum leverage positions from 125x to 20x. Zhao also hinted Tuesday that he might be willing to step down as CEO should someone with a strong regulatory background be available. There are no immediate plans to replace me as CEO, he noted though. So yeah, obviously all of those other things I did cover in other videos for you guys, but interesting stuff there. And again, what would be better for Binance if they were to just kind of, let the people know what they're doing instead of these announcements just coming out of nowhere. They're good announcements. I don't mind it because again, withdrawal limits, I'm all for that. You've got to provide all your information so we know who you are, so we know you're not doing anything dodgy. It really is as simple as that, right? But just kind of like set out like a little roadmap of the next month or so, just let us know what they're doing, let us know their plans, because there's still a lot of people out there, including myself, who are unsure of what the future of Binance will actually hold. But the fact that they are doing this, and when we actually go back a little bit, think about the stuff that they have done, it does make you think a little bit. So obviously it came with all of the regulatory issues that we had. But then what came after that? They delisted all the stock tokens. What came after that? Faster payments went down, deposits went down. So, all of that was done. So obviously they are trying to comply somehow there. And then they reduced the maximum leverage from 125x to 20x. Then they stopped free trading pair currencies for margin trading, US dollar, euros, Great British pounds, and the Australian dollar. So, when you kind of look at it, they are doing things just very slowly, but they're doing it. They're putting things in place, right? So hopefully it will kind of carry on until we get to the point where, cool, everything's back to normal now. We've complied with everything. Let's move on with our lives, right? So yeah, next few weeks should be pretty interesting, but I'll keep you updated if I find anything else for you guys. But if you have enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a like down below. Make sure you have subscribed already if you haven't, and you are hitting the bell icon so you're updated every time we upload a video. Guys, see. Oh, actually, before I go, competition. There's one more day left to enter to win 15 Luna. All you got to do is comment on one of my videos saying, I want 15 Luna. Join the Discord. The link is in the description below. Send a screenshot to me on Discord of your comment saying you want 15 Luna, making sure you're subscribed as well. And you could be in a chance to win 15 Luna, which right now, that's over £100 because Luna's been grinding its way up. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy.